Hi friends, let's learn how to use the concatenate function in Excel for huge number of data. Let me just type here 1 2 3, then 1 2 4. I want to concatenate it using a comma. Let me put a comma here. So in the next cell I'm typing is equal to con. Now this function is displayed. Let me double click it, concatenate, then select the cell value with 1 2 3, then type a comma, select the cell value with comma, again type a comma, select the cell value with 124 and close the braces, press enter. So it is displayed like this, 123 comma 124. If the count of these values is huge, then are you going to do it manually? Just think it. Let's drag it, some huge number of values. Okay. Did you think what you are going to do? Are you going to manually select all the cell values, like after E7 put a comma, then select the comma value here, then type a comma, select the 125, like this? It will continue or what? It is a very difficult job, right? So let's use another method. If anyone has used the tool Jira or Jira, this is a tool for raising defect, writing test cases. This is used in software industry. So if you are using this Jira tool, sometimes there might be some requirement, like you have to concatenate some values using or function, and search those values. Here consider these numbers 123, 124, 125 as the defect IDs. Okay, defect IDs in Jira tool. So you are concatenating some specific defect IDs and searching to get a report. Let's do one thing here in the column F. Okay, let me take it to the side because that is confusing. Okay, here I am typing a space, then or, then space. Okay, here in the next column G, just type is equal to con. Now double click on concatenate, click the cell value 123, input a comma, click the cell value of or, space, then close the braces, press enter. So this is displayed like this. Do one thing, just copy this or value, paste till the end. Okay, now click on this cell value, column G value, where the concatenate function is there. If you put the mouse like this, you can see a cross mark, right? Double click on it. All the values are created. Okay, like 393 plus OR, here it is 393 OR, 394 OR, here 394 OR, all values are concatenated. Now in the next cell in the column H, do one thing, is equal to column G value. Okay, press enter. So these two rows have the same value. In the next cell, column H and row 7, type is equal to, then con concatenate, double click on this, select the cell value column H row 6, type a comma, then click on the cell column G row 7, close the braces, press enter. Now this value 123 OR, 124 OR, these two are concatenated. Understood? This one I am highlighting, this one highlighting. Now select this value 123 space OR space 124 space OR. Now just put the mouse cursor like this on the right hand side corner. You can see in the video it's showing a cross mark, then double click on it. Isn't it a magic? See, all the values getting concatenated. How it is taking? Let's see here. In the column H row 9, it is taking, see here, H8, G9. Understood, no? Here you can see the values H8 and G9. Go to the some other cell, just double click on it. So this is taking the previous one H13 and the left hand side bottom G14. See the next one more. This value is taking H19 G20. So similarly all the rows till the end. See this value, double click, it is taking H278 and G279. Now copy this value, Control C in the keyboard or right click, copy, then click on another cell, right click, paste special, select values in the pop-up, click OK. Now see here, all the values are concatenated. You can see here, no? But in the end one extra OR is there, right? Let's remove it in the formula. See here, column F row 279, delete this one. Now copy the value in H279, and again paste special, values, done. Let's see these values from here. So you can see, right, from 123, starting from 123 it has taken all the values till 396. Here no OR is there. Now copy all these things and paste in a notepad. So the data is available right now. All the values are concatenated using OR function. So this can be used to search in the Jira tool. So this much from my side, and please let me know if this video was helpful. Thank you so much. Thank you.